Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're unboxing this beautiful Pavoni Esperto espresso machine. Not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but I did my best. And this machine came from Italy, and we are going to open the box. So yeah, you can see that one of the main features of this espresso machine that's different than a lot of other espresso machines is the pressure gauge that shows the pressure at the group head and also shows the temperature of the group head. Really great features that are going to allow you to pour much better shots of espresso. And because you'll be able to focus on the temperature and the pressure to make sure it's not too hot and to get your pressure dialed in correctly with how much coffee you're using and your grind setting. So let's see what's in the first box. So we have the drip tray with some laser film that we'll take off. And we have the automatic frother, and then we have an Allen wrench and some extra adjusters for the automatic frother. We have an extra temperature indicator, and there's also an extra steam one. That's cool. And a spoon for measuring coffee. And then here's the 2-cup filter basket, and this is the higher quality Pavoni filter basket. Really beautiful with the logo on it. And what's behind door number 2? So we have a big manual, probably because it's in a lot of languages. Nice paper manual. And we have a bottomless portafilter, which you definitely don't get with most Pavonis. Beautiful, and it fits to your fingers, which is really ergonomic. And we have another portafilter basket, standard, and we have this beautiful Tamper. Just, yeah, really nice Pavoni logo on it. Kind of different. Has a nice feel. And then we have an eagle. And the eagle sits on top. I'm a little hesitant to push it on too hard. I'm going to figure that out later. I don't want to damage the machine. Let's put it off to the side. Okay, so now we're going to check the machine, and make our first shot of espresso with it. See, we get really good crema. I think we hit almost 4 bars of pressure there. And the group head is at 203. You can see by the green. So it's below 212, which is good, because that'd be pretty hot. And then you can see we have good crema here. I'll just check the steam quick. Nice strong steam. So thank you for unboxing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.